Hey there, food lovers! Let's talk about a tiny ingredient that packs a powerful nutritional punch: chia seeds. These little wonders might be small, but they're loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals. We're talking about a serious boost for your energy levels, digestion, and overall health. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to incorporate into your breakfast routine. Think of chia seeds as your secret weapon for a healthy and delicious start to your day. They're like the Swiss Army knife of breakfast, providing a wide range of nutrients in every spoonful. Whether you're a fan of creamy puddings, hearty porridges, or refreshing smoothies, chia seeds can seamlessly blend into your favorite breakfast recipes. Chia seeds are also known for their ability to absorb liquid and create a gel-like consistency. This unique characteristic makes them incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can use them to thicken smoothies, create satisfying puddings, or even add a nutritious boost to your baked goods. Now let's talk about how to prepare these nutritional powerhouses. One of the simplest ways is to make chia seed pudding. Just combine a 1/4 cup of chia seeds with a cup of your favorite milk. Almond milk, coconut milk, or even regular dairy milk all work great. Add a touch of sweetness with honey or maple syrup and a dash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for the best results. In the morning, you'll be greeted with a creamy and delicious pudding that's ready to eat. Top it with fresh fruit, nuts, granola, or a drizzle of nut butter for an extra layer of flavor and texture. But chia seeds aren't just for pudding. You can sprinkle them onto your yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal for a boost of nutrition and a satisfying crunch. Another great option is to add a tablespoon or two to your morning smoothie. The chia seeds will thicken the smoothie and provide a sustained release of energy throughout the morning. Ready to get creative with chia seeds? Let's dive into some easy and delicious breakfast recipes that will inspire you to make these tiny seeds a regular part of your morning routine. First up, we have a classic chia seed pudding with a berry-licious twist. Simply follow the basic chia seed pudding recipe mentioned earlier and top it with a generous serving of your favorite berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or a mix of all three will create a vibrant and flavorful breakfast bowl. Next, we have a recipe that's perfect for those who crave a warm and comforting breakfast. Our apple cinnamon chia seed oatmeal is both hearty and satisfying. Cook your oatmeal according to package directions, then stir in a tablespoon of chia seeds, a dash of cinnamon, and a handful of chopped apples. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the chia seeds to soften and enjoy warm. For those who prefer a quicker breakfast option, our tropical mango chia seed smoothie is the perfect solution. Simply blend a cup of frozen mango chunks, a banana, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of your favorite milk. Blend until smooth and creamy, and enjoy immediately for a refreshing and energizing breakfast. Chia seeds aren't just a one-trick pony. While they're a fantastic addition to your breakfast routine, their versatility extends far beyond the breakfast table. You can incorporate chia seeds into your lunch, dinner, and even snacks effortlessly. Looking for creative ways to enjoy chia seeds beyond breakfast? Try adding them to your salad dressings for a thicker consistency and a nutritional boost. You can also mix them into soups and stews as a thickening agent. Chia seeds are also a fantastic addition to homemade granola bars, muffins, and cookies. Their ability to absorb liquid helps to bind the ingredients together and adds a pleasant chewiness to baked goods. So, if you're looking for a simple and delicious way to add more nutrition to your diet, look no further than chia seeds.